Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the receiver name in Western Union. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the official Western Union website. Make sure you are on the correct and secure site before you proceed. Now, log into your account using your email and password. Once you are successfully logged in and you're on the main dashboard, look at the top right corner of the screen. You will see an icon that looks like three horizontal lines, often called the hamburger menu. Go ahead and click on that menu to open it. A drop-down list will appear. From this list, you need to find and select the option that says History or Transaction History. Click on that to view a complete list of all your past money transfers. Now, carefully look through your transaction history and find the specific transfer where you need to correct the receiver's name. Click on that transaction to open its detailed view. This is a very important point. You can only edit a transaction if its status is shown as in progress, pending, or something similar. If the transaction is already marked as completed, the system will not allow you to make any changes, so please check the status carefully. For a transaction that is still in progress, once you have it open, look carefully on the screen for a button or link that says Edit and Resend. This is the option you need to click to begin the correction process. After you click it, you will be guided through a series of screens. Click Continue to proceed past the initial information page. You will then likely be asked to provide a simple reason for why you are editing this transfer. Just select the most appropriate reason from the list provided. The website will now take you back to the Payment Details screen. This is where you can finally make the change. Find the field that contains the receiver's first and last name, delete the incorrect information, and carefully type in the correct, full name of your receiver. Double-check that the new name is spelled perfectly. Then follow the remaining prompts to review and confirm your changes. You will need to re-enter your payment card details to complete the edit and secure the transaction. And that's it. You have successfully updated the receiver's name on your Western Union transfer. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees when you send someone money, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. You can create your free Wise account using the link below.